What is up, everyone? This is Bevan with Den of Geek. I am here at New York Comic Con. Oh yeah, and we are at the costume unveiling of Birds of Prey. So let's go check it out. Hey guys, I'm here checking out the official jewelry for the Birds of Prey Harley Quinn movie, and I'm liking some bedazzled stuff. This is created by Billy Valentine, and then up here we have the official Funko Birds of Prey, which are totes cute. I ain't gonna lie, they're quite adorbs. They're quite adorbs, especially this one right here with those sunglasses and this hat and this scarf, and before she pulls out a gun and shoots people. But it's cute up until that happens. I can't wait to check out Birds of Prey, come in February 7th. But let's see more at New York Comic Con, shall we?